Tomorrow, 21st June, is International Yoga Day. Why is 21st June celebrated as Yoga Day? What is its importance? After becoming the Prime Minister in 2014, Narendra Modi was very interested in spreading awareness about the benefits of yoga across the world. On 27 September 2014, Prime Minister Modi addressed the United Nations General Assembly. Prime Minister Modi suggested that 21st June be celebrated as International Yoga Day. Why this date? Prime Minister Modi gave an explanation. Around the world, Decembers are usually winters, where the days are shorter and nights are longer. In summers, days are longer and nights are shorter. On 21st June around the world is the longest day of the year. Hence, he wanted this day to be Yoga Day. The theme for this year's International Yoga Day is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. The Indian Health Ministry said that on Yoga Day, people must remain at home and avoid large gatherings. Practice yoga with your family and remain at home. Due to the COVID outbreak this year, next year you can go out. The Health Ministry has even launched a competition. Practice any yoga exercise with your family and record a video. You can submit it on this link. Once you do that, winners will be announced on 1st August. Winners will be selected in two ways. For India, first prize will be rupees 1 lakh, second will be rupees 50,000 and third will be rupees 25,000. And at the global level, the prize will be $2,500 US, $1,500 US, $1,000 US respectively. Are you excited? Use your creativity and record yourself practicing yoga and participate in the competition. Stay home, keep practicing yoga and stay healthy.